So I think it's important when talking about hypnosis for weight loss to explain to people that hypnosis doesn't directly help you lose weight. But what it can do is help you create new behaviors, ways of thinking that will therefore influence you to lose weight. So, for example, I want to lose weight, or I am overweight, or I have weight I'd like to release is the presenting issue, but it's not the underlying cause for why you've put on the weight. So, where hypnosis works is to really tap into those subconscious associations of what's causing you to hold on to the weight. Is it your relationship with food? Is it your relationship with the gym? Is it that you had a past trauma? For example, maybe you had been sexually assaulted and you realize that the bigger you are, the more unattractive you are, and therefore you hold on to weight subconsciously to stay safe. There are a lot of different varieties of hypnosis for weight loss, but that's where we work, is not directly in let go of the weight. It's tapping the deep associations.